I will show you how to take accurate impressions of your teeth by using Self-Dentist by Esteteeth. You can go to a convenient place in your home. You may go to the bathroom or a room with a large mirror. Make sure to start by reading through your manual and laying out the content of your box on a clean table, like this. The package you received includes 8 small plastic putties, 2 tubes, a mouth retractor, a plastic spatula, and a solid plastic card. Let's get started. This tray is for your lower teeth. This tray is for your upper teeth. Let's try this one by looking yourself on the mirror for your lower teeth. See, it's very easy. And let's try another one by looking at the mirror. This will also be good practice before getting impressions of your teeth. You can be faster and reach a better result once you have more practices. Now it's time to mix the putties. Unpack one white, as you see, and it's very easy to remove it, as you see. And unpack purple putty, and it's very easy to take it off and place them in your hands. They will only start setting when they come into contact with each other. So that is when you start your timer to 30 seconds. Mix together one purple and one white putty until they turn into a uniform purple without streaks. Ensure to mix energetically as demonstrated, pushing the putties each other. As you see, you will see just one color. Before the 30 seconds is over, you will mold the mix into sausage-like shape, like I am doing right now. And I will tray the lower tray first for you. You will place the putties like this on the lower tray. Be sure that. And set your timer to 1 minute and press the tray over your teeth in a single steady movement as you had practiced before. Use your fingers to press down towards the middle part of your mouth and stay completely still for 1 minute. I'm doing right now. And you see, it's very easy. This stage that I did right now can be extended more minutes to allow enough time for the putty to fully harden. And once the time is up, check the trays with your fingers. You can feel that the putty is fully hardened. Remove the tray from your mouth smoothly, as I did for you. Check your impression by comparing it with the examples provided in your manual, like you will see. Set this attempt aside and get ready to repeat the same process for your upper arch. I'm doing it for your upper arch right now. Let's mix them together. The same process as the lower tray. Take one white putty and one purple putty and we will start the timer Be sure that you mix very well until it is one color. Until it becomes one color. Mix it energetically like that. And you'll shape it into a sausage shape. Then you will place into your tray or your upper tray. Hold the tray in place and wait for 1 minute. Time is over, as you see. And while you're doing this, please be sure there is enough material towards the front of your teeth to fully capture your gum line and quickly set your time to 1 minute. Hit start and place the tray in your mouth as I did for you, making sure to press evenly, starting from the back until the putty reaches your gum line. Once the timer goes off carefully, remove the tray from your mouth and set the impressions aside. You can check the trays with sample photos on the manual, as you see. There are lots of photos, you can check them. And also our website. If everything looks alright according to manual, we can move to the second step. Don't worry. If there are some missing parts, not all the teeth impressions are clearly visible, it can be all the time. Please don't worry, we added extra putties for both our upper and lower jaws. So you can try the whole process again and again. Firstly, you can remove the current putties on the tray. Since they are already hard, it will be very easy to remove them and clean the trays for the second attempt. Please make sure that you can correctly position the trays in your mouth. Most of the failures are due to improper positioning of the tray into mouth. The putties are first-class products, and if you are successful in getting the impressions in your first try, you can send back us the unused putties and there will be a refund for you if everything is done successfully. Now we can move into the second step. Please make sure that your teeth are clean and also dry as much as possible. At this stage, you need to get a napkin to clean the impressions tray, as you see. No wet napkin, please. Just use the napkin to clean the saliva on the trays. I'm doing right now. There is a solid plastic card in the package, as you see. Place it on the table. I'm placing right now. The card has 2 black lines. Let's show you. Yeah. Then take the 2 tubes, which are around 15 ml sensitive impression products. Let me give a technical detail now. The first step was for getting basic impressions of your teeth. The second step is for getting sensitive impression of the gum. It will help us to get successful results. Pour out the tube until the black lines on the card. That's what I'm doing right now. Let's do it together. Do not pour out all the products in the tube, only the same. Some minimal pouring would be enough, but be very quickly because they dry very quickly. Yeah. And there is a plastic spatula on the back. And mix the 2 tubes inside the black lines on the card with the plastic spatula. That's what I'm doing right now. Mix it until it gets green. We'll have green results right now. Mix the products until 2 colors turn into a different color and Be very quickly. Now it's time to put the trays again, but please act very quickly. And quickly set your timer to 3 minutes. Hit the start and place the tray onto the lower tray. Please keep your napkins with you all the time. Making sure to press evenly starting from the back until the putty reaches your gum line. You can rest your lips over the tray that I did for you because I couldn't talk when I'm doing this. Once the timer goes off, carefully remove the tray from your mouth as I did. Set the impressions aside and please take a photo of the trays and send it to our client coordinator for confirmation message. You will do the same procedure for the other tray. If there is a failure in the second step, you can reuse remaining paste in the tube bag. You can remix the paste on the solid plastic card. You can flip the card. Use the other bright side of the card for the second attempt, as you see. You can clean it very easily and you can use the other side very easily. Please take a photo of the trays and send it to our client coordinator for confirmation message. Please be careful when taking photos. The pictures should be clear in the showing the impressions. If the impressions is not appropriately done, the products we will prepare for you may not properly work. So we want to be clear in all steps of your business for you. We also need pictures of your full mouth. You can use this for this picture. So there is a retractor in the package. You can locate it into your mouth after swallowing and take photos similar to samples you will see on the manual, like I'm doing for you right now. It's very easy to place it. As you see. Yeah. And very easy to take it off. These pictures are important to see your bite to prepare all the products accordingly. The pictures are also important to make a treatment plan for you. The retractor helps us to see the back teeth clearly. We advise you to send pictures of your teeth every 2 months. In this way, we would follow your dental procedure. Follow the return instructions provided in your manual. Reach out to us if you have any questions on WhatsApp or email. And I wish you a very beautiful smiles. Thanks for watching.